can beat Spanish, urban, reggaeton. Ugh, God fucking bless them. If I die, I do not believe in afterlife actually, but if it does, like I die and then I reincarnated again, please God, turn me into a fucking Latina. No more being Asian, okay? Just make me a Latina. All men wants Latina. All women loves Latina. Fuck man, it's a fucking bless. I can't find other song that the type of song that I like this because like it's just the instrument is like so special, you know. That's what happened. If it's Mediterranean Sea, like I'm so glad that Greek exists, Roman Empire exists. If they're not exist, this world wouldn't be fun. If Spain didn't colonize South America, there will be no Latina, okay? Latina no existen. No. Latina y Latinos. If Latina doesn't exist, this is fucked up world for man because Latina is most men dream woman, right? Dream girl. Me too, man, me too. You won't know. You might be reincarnated into a cat. I'm not a cat person, so I wish I'm not. I'm not single and mingle. See, we need more. I would love to have a stepsister like you. I would always be on your ass. Best dancer. Thanks. RUFUE. Oh, I'm so hungry. Karim Ol Güzellik. Teşekkür ederim. Teşekkür ederim. I met Turkish girl too today. What the fuck is this? Ew. Cristiano Ronaldo. What the fuck is doing? This is Cristiano Ronaldo. I was like, who the fuck is this guy? Five million likes for this? I don't know, man. The way I see Ronaldo is gay. Why? He loves to flex. Look, I get it. He's famous. He's one of the richest footballers, right? But it's kind of, I don't know, man. It's giving like the crypto scammer dude vibes, you know. Oh, look at this Rolex. Look at this Lamborghini. That's Russia. Sorry. It's ick. For me personally, I don't even, let's say I have the most expensive items I have, let's say cars, whatever. I don't think I would flex about it. I don't care. If people like, what do you mean you won't post it on your story? Like you bought it with your money. I was like, I know, but why would I have to do that? You know, especially if you're a man. Telling you, if you do that for doing business, yeah, like this crypto shit. Oh, I was nothing. I was like on the street. You know, you see that? He was like making that on the balcony, and now look where I'm standing at. In the Burj Khalifa, and I own 5 Lamborghini sports car, blah blah blah, and you can do it too. Click link in the bio. Sure, bro. Sure, I know. I'm sorry, but like, look, I don't hate the way he play on soccer, but I hate him. I hate his personality as a human being. Too much flashy. Look, the real rich people, even like the old money, they don't even flex at all. Maybe their yacht being posted because exposed because the people that they invite, Gen Z, whatever. Of course, old money people, they will have that kind of transport, and then they will invite the people, right, to come over to enjoy their wealth. But yeah, I don't like it. He's giving a gay. Not because I hate him, it's just like him personality, you know? What is Instagram? Cristiano? I don't like it. And then, when his team or him win, he didn't post a picture with his team. He posted himself. Like, such a egotistical man. No wonder why. I saw it. Portugal team, national Portugal team, doesn't have respect towards him because a lot of people say Portugal is better without him, but Argentina is better with Messi in it. You see the difference? That's unfortunate. Poor dude. What if he's watching a stream? He crying right now. I don't care. Probably I saw Speed will watch me, and I already DM you, mind you. I said, because he's a Ronaldo fan, yeah. This is the problem with Ronaldo fans, man. Most of them, they don't really know. I mean, most of them is kiddos, or like Mr. Beast, or like I saw Speed. Exactly. There's a lot of interview that people ask them who is the best footballer, who is the best footballer of all time. Even like as like Haaland or like all these good players, they would say Messi, 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 not Ronaldo. If you ask Asho Speed, of course he would say, yes, of course, Ronaldo. What the fuck you mean, bro? Yeah, no, he's black, so I don't know, it has to something to do with black, but because it's just black.